Where are we?
We are in Pesaro, right on the coast, the Adriatic coast, and we have just arrived in our hotel, a Grand Hotel Victoria, and we have a room on the third floor that is in the luxury suite area.
Oh, and how much do we pay for this?
We paid 104 Australian dollars for this.
Wow, and look what we got over here. What is this, grams?
It's a Ferris wheel and the Adriatic Sea.
There we have it.
People enjoying Sunday.
Right.
And do a Missenden Flyer and have a view through the room.
Yes, come on, Mrs. VC.
Mrs. VC. So this is our room. Looks very luxurious, large king-size bed, marble top bedside tables with lamps.
Yeah.
We have a desk here in the corner.
We do have a desk.
Best thing of all, though, we have a large television.
Wow.
That may even be a smart TV if you're lucky.
Right.
We have a very large wardrobe with extra blankets.
We do.
And we have extra pillows
Yeah.
up at the top there. And moving along this way, we have our own little private bathroom here. And in our bathroom, we have our bath. We have our bidet side table.
Right. And the bath.
A big bath.
Look at that.
And I think it's even a spa bath.
Dear, oh dear.
It's even a spa bath.
Wow.
And we have a large vanity.
Wow, and there we are.
And there we are.
Oh, thank you, Mrs. Flyer. I mean, Mrs. VC.
You're welcome, VC.